developer, we almost live a dual life because we're here working in London on the game, but we also have these great hooks into Hollywood through Warner Brothers and a lot of different contacts there. And it's really important now that to make a blockbuster game, to make a AAA title, that you have proper Hollywood quality in everything that you do. We've worked on creating all of these sounds with some of the best Foley artists in the world. They have the experience of working on films such as The Dark Knight. You know, they really get and understand Batman's universe.
Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday.
Foley artist, to me, is one of the most fun jobs in that we get to play in the big sandbox. We replace sounds that either should be there or shouldn't be there in a way that you, the audience, don't know we've done it. We get a chance to create the sounds right to the picture and then play it back. The process will be we'll actually get to where we believe what it is we're seeing, that is what we're hearing. That's the key to good Foley. If we've done our job correctly, you don't know we've done it. We'll use this for bone breaks. I'll demonstrate. Better. When we work on feature films and then video games, typically, Foley-wise, it's pretty much the same thing. That is, Batman's cape was a bit of an outgrowth of The Dark Knight.
It needed to be something heavy, so we're using this leather jacket and this bridesmaid's dress.
You don't want to do this, Freeze.
Oh, I believe I do.
We're asked to do face punches on Mr. Freeze. It just struck me that he's really inside this almost robotic, confining type outfit. I've got some old rollerblade gear in the back and a couple motorcycle helmets and some other things. I brought those out along with an old ski boot and started hitting with a hammer. And putting all that together, hopefully get to the game and I hit that button. He's getting hit in the face going, yeah, that's right.
We have access to all the Warner lot, which is the big, huge film set. That gives us the ability to record any guns, anywhere, from loads of different perspectives, without upsetting the usual inhabitants of a big, huge city.
We'll do one full clip. This will be the M4, this will be take 2.
If you imagine a gun firing in a street, the nearest wall is probably only, I don't know, 50 yards away or something. So you get these quick delays, these reflections. That's where the authenticity comes in. Brian is an expert in recording guns, and he's like the world's expert in it.
When you have it sound like that, it doesn't sound believable.
He did the guns on Inception, or he's done the guns on, you know, this big Hollywood movie or that one.
Take 3 on the FNFAL needs to be first. We're actually recording 24 channels. That way the audio designers in the game can play around with different angles just to make it really seem like Batman's being shot at from distant perspectives.
We really want everything in the game to have that same punch as a great blockbuster movie, to bring Batman's universe to life and really make you feel like you are the Batman.